Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions by comparing the latest and greatest products. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown you won't want to miss. In the left corner, we have the Anycubic 4K Plus Resin 3D printer, aka Mono Magic. And in the right corner, we have the Creality Ender-3 V3 printer, affectionately known as Ender Express. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Cuts to side-by-side view of both printers. Let's dive right into it. All right, first up, let's talk about something that hits us all in the wallet price. Mono Magic comes in at a cool $229. A pretty sweet deal, right? But wait, Ender Express is like, hold my filament, and comes in at $299. Looks like the Ender Express is already trying to flex those extra dollars. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, more pizza or filament. Now, on to the juicy stuff. Printing quality. Mono Magic boasts a 6.6 inches 4K plus monochrome LCD screen with a resolution so high it could probably make a loaf of bread look like the Mona Lisa. Plus, it has an upgraded light turbo matrix for those ultra-smooth surfaces. Reviewers say it consistently produces high-quality and detailed prints, perfect for miniatures and tabletop RPG models. Meanwhile, Ender Express is all like, I got this, with its hot configuration Sprite Direct extruder and dual fans for fast model cooling. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printing. Reviews highlight its strong and accurate parts. Both are solid contenders here, but if you're into those hyper-detailed, I can see the pores on this mini figurine prints, Mono Magic might just have the edge. Time is money, folks, and who wants to wait around forever for their prints? Mono Magic reduces exposure time to 1.5 S3s per layer, but Ender Express is here to give it a run for its money with an incredible speed of up to 500 millimeters per second and 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like the Flash decided to take up 3D printing. Reviewers love its speed for quick prototyping and consistent performance. So if you're in a rush to print out that last-minute cosplay prop, Ender Express is your go-to. Next up, user-friendliness. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to spend hours fiddling with settings. Mono Magic comes with Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0, which is like having a personal assistant for your prints. It's packed with features like model repair and support adding. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use, although some suggest using third-party slicers for better support management. On the flip side, Ender Express is like, hold my beer, with its intuitive touch UI screen, real-time model preview, auto-leveling, and even phone control. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Users rave about its easy setup and versatile features. So, if you want to feel like Tony Stark with an all-in-one, easy-to-use system, Ender Express might just be your new best friend. Last but not least, let's talk reliability and build quality. Because nobody wants their print to fail halfway through. Mono Magic has a laser-engraved build plate for extra adhesion, making sure your prints stick like glue. Plus, it's got a sturdy design to boot. Reviewers have noted its consistent, high-quality prints despite some initial setup challenges. But Ender Express isn't backing down. It's got a robust structure with precision-engineered components and a bimetal heat break for those high-temperature prints. It's like the Hulk and Iron Man had a baby. While some users have experienced issues, others have found it to be reliable and well-built after minor modifications. So, if you want a printer that can handle a variety of filaments and won't let you down, Ender Express is the one to beat. Summarizing the reviews, Anycubic 4K plus Resin 3D printer is praised for its detailed prints and ease of use, though it may require some initial setup tweaks. Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is celebrated for its speed, versatility, and robust build, but it can occasionally face reliability issues. Both printers have their strengths and areas for improvement, making them strong contenders in their own right. Alright, smart shoppers, there you have it. The Anycubic Mono Magic and the Creality Ender-Express have both shown their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking to save some money and get ultra-detailed prints, Mono Magic is your guy. But if you want speed, versatility, and an all-in-one user-friendly experience, Ender-Express is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart Showdown. Until next time, happy shopping and keep printing. Outro music playing end screen with subscribe button and video suggestions. Fade out.